Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we wrote the code to call getWorkouts API in our Angular application, and then we displayed the workouts data on the page as well. And in today's video, we will create goal entity in our Spring Boot application, and then we will create the related file structure like DTO, repository and service. So let's get started. So in our Spring Boot application, first of all, we need to create goal entity. And to do this, we will right click on our entity package and we will choose new Java class and we will name this class as goal. And after this, we will annotate this class with entity annotation from jakarta.persistence. And then we will add the annotation of @data from Lombok to get the getters and setters. And now we need to mention the properties of our goal entity. And first of all, we need to store the ID of the goal. And to do this, we will write private and the data type of this will be long. And we will name this as ID. And to make this a primary key, we will add the annotation of @ID. And after this, we need to give the logic to generate this ID automatically. And to do this, we will add @generated value annotation. And in this, for the strategy, we will set generation type dot identity, so it can automatically increment one by one. And after the ID, we need to store the description of the goal. And to do this, we will write private and the data type of this will be string and we will name this as description. And after the description, we need to store the start date of the goal. And to do this, we will write private and the data type of this will be date and we will import it from java.util. And after this, we will name this as start date. And after the start date, we need to store the end date of the goal. And to do this, we will duplicate this line. And after this, we will update the name to end date. And after the end date, we need to create a property to store the value if our goal is completed or not. And to do this, we will write private and the data type of this will be boolean and we will name this as achieved. And with this, our goal entity is completed. Now we need to create goal DTO. And to do this, we will right click on our DTO package and we will choose new Java class and we will name this class as goal DTO. And after this, we will annotate this class with @data annotation from Lombok. And then we need to mention the properties. And to do this, we will open goal entity. And from this, we will copy ID, description, start date, end date, and achieved. And then we will go back to the goal DTO and we will paste them here. And with this, our goal DTO is completed as well. Now we need to create a method to convert our goal entity to the goal DTO. And to do this, we will open goal entity. And in this class, we need to create a new method. And this method will return goal DTO. And we will name this method as getGoalDTO. And in the body of this method, we need to create an object of goal DTO. And we will name this as goal DTO. And after this, we will initialize this with new goal DTO. And now we need to set the data in this goal DTO. And to do this, we will call goal DTO. And first of all, we need to set the ID. So we will call setID method. And in this method, we will pass the ID. And after the ID, we need to set the description. And to do this, we will call setDescription method. And in this, we will pass description. And after the description, we need to set the start date. And to do this, we will call setStartDate method. And in this, we will pass start date. And after the start date, we need to set the end date. And to do this, we will call setEndDate method. And in this, we will pass end date. And at the end, we need to set the achieved. And to do this, we will call setAchieved method. And in this, we will pass achieved. And after this, we will write a return statement and we will return this goal DTO from here. And with this, our getGoalDTO method is completed as well. And now we need to create gold repository. And to do this, we will right click on our repository package and we will choose new Java class and we will name this class as gold repository. And after this, from the class types, we will choose interface. And after this, we will annotate this class with @repository annotation. and then we need to extend this class from the JPA repository. And to do this, we will write extend and then we will mention JPA repository, and in this we need to pass the entity and the type of the ID. So we will pass goal and we will import it from fitness tracker server dot entity, and after this for the type of the ID we will give this as long. And with this our goal repository is completed as well. Now we need to create goal service, and to do this we will right click on our services package and we will choose new package, and after this we will name this package as goal. And after this we will right click on this goal package and we will choose new Java class and we will name this class as goal service, and from the options we will select interface. And after this we need to create the implementation class, and to do this we will again right click on our goal package and we will choose new Java class and we will name this class as goal service implementation. And after this we will annotate this class with @service annotation, and then we will add the annotation of required args constructor from Lombok. And after this we will write implements statement and we will mention goal service. And with this our goal service and goal service implementation is completed as well. And now let's run our application. And as you can see our application is up without any errors, and in the console we got one SQL query which is for create table goal, and this means our goal table got created in the database. And now let's go to MySQL workbench to confirm this creation, and in the MySQL workbench we will open the tables of fitness tracker DB, and in the tables as you can see we got a table with the name of goal. And now let's click on this icon to view the information of our goal table, and as you can see we got the information and we can confirm the columns of our goal table, which includes ID, achieved, description, end date and start date. And that's it for today's video. In the next video we will create post goal API in our Spring Boot application.